you gonna have your feelings. Your feelings gonna tell you, hey man, this a big step. Hey man, this a big move. Hey man, ain't nobody ever done this before. Hey man, I'm scared to do this shit. Ain't nobody do it before. I'm scared, I'm shy, I'm depressed, I'm out. Your feelings gonna tell you so much shit to make you not want to do it, bro. What you gotta say is fuck your feelings and you gotta think logically and do it anyway. Next tip is don't quit and guarantee failure. Hey, what's up? Hey, whatever you going through, man, don't quit, man. That's the only way you're gonna get where you at. Everybody you looking up to, whether it's an athlete, whether it's a business person, whether it's a preacher, whether it's a cook, bro, it could be anything. Whatever you looking up towards, whoever you looking up to, the only reason you're able to look up to them is because hopefully they're on a higher level than you with what you want to do. And another thing is, the reason they got to that higher level is because they didn't quit, man. Everybody get tired, everybody get hurt, everybody go through shit on their way up. The only reason they up is because they didn't quit. The only reason you won't be up is if you quit. Now, you listen to this, you might be thinking, damn, I got a lot of goals I want to work towards, but excuses. The only reason you won't get towards them goals is if you quit. So all you got to do is work towards them. When I'm running my stand, I think about, bro, the only way I can't get 10 sales today is if I sit on my ass and not actively try to be a salesperson. The only way I can't run 2 miles is if I quit running 1 mile. Only way I won't get to this level is if I quit, man. So you need to remember that shit. Remember that. And also remember this, bro. Everybody going through a hard journey, man. Man, it's just not you. Life only gonna get harder. Life only gonna get harder. You gotta get stronger mentally. And if you feel like, damn, I understand life only gonna get harder, I think I can't handle it, then you need to take a mental break and mentally evaluate, your life. You need to mentally strengthen your mental mindset, you know what I'm saying? Enhance your intelligent emotions and all of that. You need to enhance that and focus on your mindset. Because life is only gonna get harder, and if you don't focus on your mindset and you too busy chasing materialistic things, then yeah, you're gonna be messed up pretty bad. Because a lot of people goddamn think money everything, but if I give you 10 million today and you die right after I give it to you, then you wouldn't even want the 10 million because you're gonna be like, I can't use it. So your life is more valuable than that 10 million. So you need to treat yourself like you're more valuable than $10 million. So you need to feed yourself with positivity with everything you do. It need to be positivity because positivity breeds positivity. You can't get positivity thinking negative. If you think about the negative, that's what's going to happen. Whatever you believe, that's what you will achieve. So you got to believe that you can get to that level that you looking up to people that's at already. Don't quit. The only way you won't get there is if you quit. The only way you won't climb the top of a ladder is if you quit or you don't do it. The only way you're not going to face your fear is if you not face it, if you quit going towards it. Only way you not going only way you ain't going to finish shit is if you quit, man. Remember that shit. Nah, I ain't got too much explaining to go over. That's the root right there. If you quit, tell yourself if you quit. Jimmy Dedication said, if I quit, I won't get it done. So I can't quit. Fuck your feelings is the next tip. Hey, man. Hey, my cousin come from my military background. So if you watching this, and you think I'm cussing too much, oh well, I joined the military. I'm a veteran. Hey, the next tip is fuck your feelings because listen, right? This what's gonna happen. Whenever you working towards that, get to that higher level, right? You gonna have your feelings. Your feelings gonna tell you, hey man, this a big step. Hey man, this a big move. Hey man, ain't nobody ever done this before. Hey man, I'm scared to do this shit. Ain't nobody do it before. I'm scared, I'm shy, I'm depressed, I'm out. Your feelings gonna tell you so much shit to make you not want to do it, bro. What you gotta say is fuck your feelings and you gotta think logically and do it anyway. But think about this, man. I can use so many analogies, but I'ma just use my newest ones, right? Sitting at the kiosk stand, bro. See people walking by. I want to do my trick, you know what I'm saying? I got a little trick. I want to use my trick on to get them to buy some. Then my feelings say, man, they look like they ain't even gonna buy nothing. You just gonna embarrass yourself. Just sit down. Bro, as soon as I hear that, I said, fuck you. And I get up and do it anyway because you got to think logically. When you moving smart, You gotta think logically and not with your feelings. Cause if you think with your feelings, it's gonna put you in your feelings. If you think logically, it's gonna logically move you up to the next level you wanna get to. So you gotta think logically when you achieving things, because a lot of shit gonna come from your feeling. Like if you wanna start anything, your feelings are gonna be the first things that doubt you, bro. I swear, because it's gonna subconsciously do it, because we was, you know what I'm saying, we made the goddamn subconsciously think negative about, you know what I'm saying, a lot of shit, because a lot of shit vibrates on the, you know, on the lower level and shit like that, blah, 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 blah. So we naturally gonna think negative about a lot of things. So fuck your feelings, because your feelings is gonna go to the first subconscious goddamn consciously thing it can think of, which is gonna be the negative, because there's so much negative shit in this world that been programmed into us, you know what I'm saying? So fuck your feelings, think logically, bro. Don't give up. If you want to give up, it's because you're listening to your feelings. If you're listening to your feelings, you're gonna give up. If you listen to your feelings, you're not gonna make it. Stop listening to your goddamn feelings. Yeah, Dex tip is don't quit and guarantee failure. Only way you want to guarantee success is guaranteed through. Is success guaranteed? I don't know. Success, you gotta believe it is. You feel me? Whatever you're working towards, you gotta believe that you can be successful in it. And that's basically guaranteeing it. But if you want to guarantee failing, you just gotta quit. That shit easy, bro. Everything in life hard, nigga. Everything, we all going through hard shit. If you got kids, life hard because you gotta take care of your kids. If you don't got kids, life hard because you gotta goddamn work every day. If you don't work every day, life hard because you getting, you know what I'm saying, unemployment and food stamps, but it ain't enough for all your bills. If you ain't getting that, life hard because you in the wheelchair. If life not hard because you're not in the wheelchair, then life hard because you ain't got no car, you got to ride or take the bus everywhere. Everybody got a hard stage in life, bro. It's basically the mindset that helps you overpower it. So, like, you really got to tap into your mindset and really learn, because think about it, bro. A millionaire right now is depressed. A millionaire right now is thinking about suicide. A millionaire right now is going through a divorce. A millionaire right now is in surgery and might lose his life. Got a goddamn 90% chance of losing his life. Somebody with the materialistic thing you want right now ain't happy. Ain't no materialistic shit gonna be happy. It's all in the mindset, bro. So, hey, let me go back over this list, bro. Don't quit, bro. Everybody think about quitting, bro. Every goddamn military person, every fucking veteran, every cook, every makeup artist, every photographer, every interior designer, every software engineer, everybody always thought about quitting, bro. But the only reason they at that higher level now is because they didn't quit. Look up any person successful in your field. Look up the most successful cook and read what they had to go through to be the most successful. They went through some trials and tribulations, man. You can't get upset with the trials and tribulations, because that's going to be part of your story, part of your journey. So you just got to toughen up and roll with that shit. Hey, yeah, that's all I got to say, man. 8 minutes into it, but I could go, I might could be a speaker, you know what I'm saying? I might have it in me, because I don't read notes. I only read the topic I write down. And other than that, this shit just come natural. That's why motherfuckers say I'm older than 20, bro. Shit, I'm older than 20. But yeah, man, this shit just come natural. I just wrote down my notes. But yeah, hey, don't quit, bro. Ain't nobody perfect, bro. Every day I gotta remind myself, man. Let me tell you, every day I be sitting in the kiosk, bro. I have to remind myself that fuck your feelings. I have to remind myself, hey, the only reason you won't get the sales you want is because if you sitting down on your ass not getting it, so you gotta get up and go do it. Hey, bro, like, I'm real, like shit, my life hard too, hell. Everybody life hard, but this shit only gonna get harder because, think about it, life only gonna get harder because you're gonna lose more loved ones. As you grow, your loved ones is gonna go. That's gonna be a hard part. As you grow, there's gonna be more bills you acquire, more debt, more trouble you go through, because more challenges. Every day is a challenge. If you live 10 years, you're gonna go through way more challenges. You're gonna lose way more people that you love, bro. Life only gonna get harder. That shit real. So if your mindset ain't right now, nigga, you better get your shit right, because this shit only gonna get harder. Ain't nobody perfect here. Everybody got them depressed, stressed, sad, mad, angry, lonely. Get your mindset right, and you gonna be straight.